create nyuma maamabun ye twa kokoo nugu a seedlings e de ma no ye hybrid improved varieties kanen na kan fie nso ansa na aso iru akofo pence 2.5 years to 3 years na kokoo ne so afi wo kai kokoo mass spray fa ma akura bia se obedru obi nkobuso obi card obi so behwe na egu kokoo no so na ye fa extension officers na wo ma wie university a Greek extension of atena fie no munya adwuman and daje akofo pence na ye fa won bebebe ye distribute o ma cocoa farmers all in the name say ye revamp sabre no mu ana ye wura akofo ehwe din no se da bi se se ye twa cocoa na gu ye ni si afa na ebe so monye de friend sakes no plantain bode de memema kuafo enum ne ade fanfafu na sintu utwa bi die na ton bi na de bi bo ho bra na de yesi kopem se cocoa ne bepeja ye wie no se da bi ade no se ne aye no yemfa national health insurance mra. If you say the ordinary cocoa farmer, indeed all Ghanaians adwumayefo apomudin ni ade hia pa ba cocoa farmer no dodo na nyinyini wo mpani fie so se na pom dodo no na okọ hospital na onya sika na omfantua eno no so kra ma productivity kofo enti se introduce national health insurance saafo no benya kwan enya quality and affordable healthcare. And it's hard now, you're a for the buy. NPP for the something in Chiramo. The fapping pan in Yinaswaka, the target was the cocoa farmer. Because it came in tandem with the revamping of the industry. Say, yes, she said cocoa, a man ye no, and a national insurance in the Babacam. A year no, the BCC at the baby drone, Quadel was a crunkum crasian. Adriani omubedi wosukunti awofo no ne akuafo ni timi nyama won nti kwada na kafi nti ye introduce bibia a friend school feeding program na saafo no nya anya akwara no onim se okọ school akomone no nti obekọ na chese eno soso emeye adwuma ewie na se da bi se yenuanom maanom ne yerenom a won kurunkum amu tituru akuafo nom ne ade ofa yafunu no onyinsepe sika ode bekọ asipiti akohwe ne ho ahwe akola na ye nti ne sade ye introduce free maternal care ne yemfa no soso mra etisi ye de no ba na ebewura mu a na chese ni nyina no koko akuafo ne ye ne atim kurunkuma mu ne ye ne ye mobro ewo omamu atimi support ye social interventions ni nyina achi no si nipa wo ho wapomuden ye wakọ hospital wayo na kapreba na abotomu a ahomet nti introduce the friend lip no sikan kumankuma bi yemfama mobro wafo a nti kofo person we started register omu cocoa growing areas and other rural areas beneficiaries no and then we no ba ye nkran ha no mu ye enya hwe de mpanifo ha but menu nyina age tum se nia otemre dane sorry a kapre ne da makura ohun bi da no saafo no ni so eno so ye de babe joy. It is a wohwed sa strange of sa social interventions nyina na ekwa kosi mamobro a na hwan na mobo ewo mamu dan meneu
just like before. We are not going to leave them further. We will do so with our sweat and blood and make sure that New Patriotic Party reigns supreme. Don't forget that we've been able to do it for him before his excellency. We did it for Nana Mugabe before. We shall do it. So we shall do it for him.
He can be General Secretary. He can be General Secretary. He can.
We have no absolute outside. Madam.
Coming General Secretary.
United Party. So I'm sure after this elections, we'll come to every village as you are seeing, news of people will come. So it's a good spirit. We are all ready to join hands. I like the spirit. You can tell that everybody is ready to work for the party. So, I mean, it's a good step for us.
That's good. So I'll leave you guys. I know you are going to work. That's my proof of time.
I want to catch a couple.
When you appear before
no, but Honorable, admit that I'm right. Because you said no. You said that is not correct.
Yes.
And now it's proven to be correct. But before you make a comment, admit and apologize and say, my brother, you were right. I apologize.
No, you say that
because you are in government, you don't have the figures. I'm in opposition and I have the figures and I'm putting them out there.
That is your word.
And you decided to contradict me without even providing a counter figure. You getting me? Yeah. And cross-checking has proved that I'm right or I was right. So just simply, humbly say, "Oh, I'm sorry."
You are right. Fine.
Thank
Let
you.
me say this.
Thank you. I agree. Now let us move on. Let us move on.
Yenye say or the fast who create nyuma mamabun. Ye twa ukoko nugua. Seedlings e de ma no ye hybrid improved varieties. Kanen na kan fie nso ansa na aso. Iru akofo pence 2.5 years to 3 years. Na koko ne so. Afi ukai koko mass spray. Yeah. Fa ma akura bia se a obedru obi nkobu se obi card obi so be hwe na egu koko no so na ye. Ye fa extension officers. Na oma wie university a Greek extension of atene fie no munya adwuma. And daje akofo pence na ye fa won bebrebe. Ye distribute oma cocoa farmers. All in the name say ye revamp. Sabre no mu ana yeru akofo ehwe din no se da bi. Se say ye twa cocoa nagu. Ye ni se afa na ebe so. Monye the friend no sakes no plantain body. Ye de memema kuafo enum ne ade fanfafu na sintu utwa bi die na ton bi. Na de bi bo ho bra na de yesi kopim se cocoa ne bepeja. Ye wie ye no se da bi ade no se ne aye no. Yemfa national health insurance mra. If you said the ordinary cocoa farmer, indeed, all Ghanaians, adwumayefo, apomudin ni ade hia pa ba cocoa farmer no, dodo na nyinyini wo mpani fie so. Se na pomu dodo no, no hospital, no onya sika no mfantria, eno no so kra ma productivity kofo. Enti se introduce national health insurance, saafo no benya kwan enya quality and affordable healthcare. And it's hard now, you're for the buy. NPP for yen something in Chilemo. The fapping pan in so the target was the cocoa farmer. Because it came in tandem with the revamping of the industry. Say, yes, she said cocoa, man, ye no, and a national health insurance in the Babacam. A year no, the BCC at the baby a drone, Quadel was a kumen crasian. Adriani omubedi was sukunti. Our foreign aircraft need to be Yamao, into Quadana Cafe, into your introduce be a friend school feeding program. That's how for Anya Aquarado on himself or Coscu are common into a beco. Nature say, and also so a mayor Juma. A real Debbie say, in your nomi manum near, you don't know one croon command, titru a queer form near or fire funo or Yinsepe, si called the Baquasi pity. Akoshe no ho ahwe akola na yedene enti ne yesade ya introduce free maternal care ne mfa no soso mra etisi ya de no ba na ebewura mu a na chese ni nyina no koko akuafo ne ye ne atim kurunkuma mu ne ye ne ye mobro ewo omamu aboye social interventions ni nyina chi na osi nipa wo ho wapomuden ye wako hospital wayo na kapreba na abotomu a ahomet nti introduce the friend lip no sikan kuma bi emfama mobro wafo enti kofo person we started register omo cocoa growing areas and other rural areas beneficiaries no and then we no ba ye nkran ha no mo enya hwe de mpanifo ha but menu nyina agi tum se nia otemre dane sorry a kapre ne da makora wo hu bi da no saa fo no ni so eno so ye de babel joy. It is a whole strange of social interventions in na ekwa kusima mobroa. Na why na mobo o memu dan meneu.
Yes. Abusham for me church mu nyina ema mu nyina akwa abasronko. E de mobile ras media GH so ene anumre yi abusua se de medikan ehye mobo na medikan eka kire mo enra no no kure ene mene mi ankasa mi senior bakope the incoming General Secretary of the party called MPP yewura Kwabena Kokofu Henry anase Henry Kwabena Kokofu yene no ene ebedi djuma ewo platform we so ene anumre yi enti mesro se waba na watena se na wape wo ntomam akekere wo se be ya wonewo na watwe se chairman ebeba wuram ne ene no adi nkomo se wawutie kwanya papa yi efa so kasa in the media for the MPP I will say yes, this man is a man who deserves to become the general secretary of the party. So be general secretary of the party. And so papa ebeba party num. Now me jaya semna to ba no ankasa waka no de achiro. Now I want to show you something very very simple. Yewula Kokofu onya akura e MPP party num. Empenfo mo MPP party ene nyina wana wagidire wo party efe ne MPP mu nyina omo bia ni ho abetum dire nsase ne bo akase chairman Kokofu eye hoho bi chairman Kokofu eye nipa bi ono betumi abonani afa ne so e de akọ abusia. Let me give you just a little bit of backgrounds of who is chairman Kokofu. Any the entire feel say the echo party no man no. Say chairman be dear anymore. Who born dog? One wine na sabio wako kaka sabi ensem fata wona nim anase wako ye ho eniema bi e de akire no. Papa ya ye kana semi eye papa. Sabio onye akoda. Ye wo no nenti system na ye wo no. Now, all the time, or a politician, a sued politician, now or a member of parliament for the Fourth Republic at the Seized Parliament, Anna Ojinamu, Edema Bantama constituency, a new patriotic party, Sabio, ne Frank Castle. Yewura chairman Kokofu, Eyo Bia, Sabio. Wako University of Science and Technology watching a bachelor in science degree in natural resources management. I have at 1971 in 2007. And what Papaya Sanya Kwai Masters of Science degree in agroforestry from the same university, the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. And what Papa we assign Ako Ghana School of Law, no so wajen a bachelor, osan sukita laws degree ewo law mu. Osan so ye old student of Kumasi High School. Papa ya ye kana asemi. Eye papa wa born in pa in the arena of Ghana politics. Enye we nko a ena ye ensema ewo papa ne ho. But yesi se sabio se numa eda ye gine woni wuranum. Enti ye de bi besie na so ba watumi akyerɛkyerɛ mu yie na watena ase na de nti a mebobɔ ne nneɛma wei nom so kakra bi de kyerɛ wo ne sɛ sabi ene enkrofo mo ne papa yi edi tipan ɛwɔ MPP party sabi o sɛ oka sɛ omomu bi nko gyina radio so na onkasa emfama MPP party already also in defending her. Ombeka chonso omo mo yem painfo omo nye communicators na omo akọ radio so akọ edan akọ kasa e de man pipi no. But Papa Way has never thrown down any call. Any when he was called to go to the radio and defend the party called MPP. Which I will say, Papa no, party ni dana kumaso. Which I will say, Papa no, Oyobia, he believes in the ideologies of the MPP party. It is not about, I'm going to make money. I know a lot of stories about this man. Senke ekasikankwa, enka he will never appear anymore in political arena. But because he has the willing and he wants to see his party enjoying, and I say his party faithful, he is still in the arena trying to make sure, Sabio Enyama, Ebeko ye, Ediama party. Let me tell you this thing and I'll continue. This type of man, and a young penfo, Mutumitra Sekese, young penfo, ya ye be a adrubabi. Enti yemie mu na yema kwan na yema sabio enkwada youth na ye train omo no omo mra na omo so medi animu. But me try na maka kire say papa no kwotena fie se sabio leadership in the party or twene ho kakra na wa mankura so kwan ama omo nso no abie omo ayeden nka se omo nso aton omo ho e de akire Ghana mine any wiase amansano. The man has stood down and understood to say some of the boys, young guys now, more kinds of media party because we believe in the human capitals. No, those guys are not ready. It was say so say in a nim edia mankwadano so muni party nanima. They will bring obviously cost zero to the party, and that is what bothers the man. Because but let me state it here clear and emphatically say this man that we are talking about one shiny politics as directly to become the general secretary of the party. One shiny politics as anam se sikakita nunti ode ko na wakwa kwaji sabio MP position ewo Bantama, Dabi. One shiny politics I say from the Conciliation Council, J. Kokofu, and a year the 18th year, Dabi. Papano shiny politics I say from Papano shiny politics I say from the lower level, or shall I say from police station chairman. Osanso Baye, polling station agent, and Osanso the protector of the ballot boxes. Papa Baye, electoral area coordinator in Bantama. Osanso Baye, Bantama chairman for 2 times. Ebe Sanso Ebe Lady KMA. As Abram Papa no solve any issue about money issues. Na ewo that KMA in Kumase. Apart from that, this man was also raised to become the financial administrator at the KMA. That is what I wanted to say. He became the secretary to the Reconciliation Committee in Ashanti region. He must bring back all the people back to make sure, Sabio, the MPP and the NDC hate and yentam enam royals. I would Ghana. This man sat down there to become. And I don't want to go in deep. I want him to come so that he can tell us whatever. But I make person want to once say. Senka yeme ko pesika bedi kwa dia. Enka papa we. Wa ye di obetumi e wa amanyo semu. Wa di positions ahodo ewa manyo semu ankene se ba so okwa akotena fie abra onye hwe emfa ma party na he will never lack anything obedie this tells you how this man actually has decided to offer his energy, his knowledge, and everything to support the MPP chances of winning 2028 elections. Now let me tell you something very, 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 very powerful. This man called Chairman Henry Kokofu, on Timi and winning the Bantama seat with about 49,000 votes, and I represented 83.26% of the total valid vote cast. Temiyepa at the Bantama 2012 general elections. Papa wait me winning the Bantama seat with 83.26% of the whole valid vote cast. And I in numbers here. Bantama hono enipa almost 50,000 and a munina kosa lie eto aba edemano. Enya magic. Enya magic. Eye jumaden. Eye nsheswo. Eye consistency. Eye can say devotion to serve the people. That is what makes this man able to win with such huge numbers and with such huge difference with the NDC candidates. EPL, yababaho, memo onwanka saka mwase. Beto diye maminko, na memfanchi kakra ema atifu onaba. Bra ye train se chairman. Ebe joini room no. Memfanchi akesiye ema minya nana. Or say, please, Napo is still the running mate all the way. Amen, oh, amen. So as soon as Sami Jersey from Hamburg, or say, I may prefer the MPP to choose either Chairman Wontumi or Kokofu for the national chairmanship position. Sami Jersey, your senior man, Chairman Kokofu, is not willing, he's not ready, and he don't want to be the chairman of the party. He wants to be the general secretary of the party. And Timi Ajasi, this is what I want to tell you. Once again, Mami Fanchi can say Mami Esther K. Barima. I Mami Esther K. Barima. Wey eduba bi o me mama, eduba bi o me sister, eduba bi o ye me aba, eduba bi so a. Na be me dofo enema die nyina. Ai. Esther K Barima na sem na me kai. Me aba me chew ye pa, opomu etisen. Me fluenso na me koma nim na me de chake se ma George Frimpong. Ai me am chew ko se akwa ba my brother. Sanso na John Kwame Blight. Also Michia ye pa George Frimpong, Michia ye pa, and I remember me ya Frimpoma, one so Michia ye pa. Abusan for Gusua, yede Jumadino e bremo na the Meppersamen can say this man is someone we can never afford to lose him or to not allowing him to become the general secretary of our party. Yesebo mama frano kwan na wenum na oso ahenie no eye won dia yate yo waka yate. Eye mi say ye chairman ekita ye general secretary okita ye nei. Papa na obo entwene ahodo. Ewo sebio Nana Asante hene na fashe ase no. Sa papa now say MPP lost the election 2024 because of spiritual realm no. Sa papa na ultimately say Emma Kennedy Japan did the whole party attempt from head to toe as a general secretary. I want to mean him for hono. Sa papa na as at now Predudo Awatana say as a general secretary in the history of this party no. on to me melde up a system Emma MPP ehu the number of supporters ya ewo Ghana maimo. Sa papa na as at now on to me melde system bia ebetumi create a sustainable party by itself. Sustainable political party. How obey independent. Now uncle ye dependent to a single soul. MFSNA. What to say? Yes, ye mass registration be a 1 PP amanyoko. MPP had the knowledge to make sure say the Ghana ID card will be established. But because of poor leadership, your party Nankasano, these guys has not been able to come out with any initiative for ASW initiative for etumi ayedin ema yetumi collect the data where from anyone who are the MPP people, what are their home address, how many are there in family, what they do and what they do not do. Because of weak leadership, MPP for now we are lost. We don't know who we are. I mean, where we are. The leadership doesn't know. Ninyana say, you need the leader. And you so 50 precope and obey a general secretary. But you need a general secretary or your experienced politician. One. Second, we'll go across all the various positions in the party. Amawaba bedroom pempenso bi ayena meno suntino. Owo nimdie, owo nyansa, owo experience on how political parties are being managed to become strong in a society. So when ya leader bi otisa, when ya panyin bi otisa mena medi party nanima, you can bring Jesus Christ to come and lead the party as a flag bearer, but you will lose. You can get Jesus Christ to become your flag bearer, but at the end of the day, you are going to lose. Ma'am, yes, I was sir. You said, "Do you have me about you? Ma'am, you be do you so no you am dofu back up." Esther K. Badima. Yento aso yenko ya name. But what tell me yepa? So why nya sabio enim different media anymore? I'm telling you with from the bottom of my heart and the little knowledge that I have said, you can never win elections because elections are won at the polling stations. Hey, 2024. Did you see what happened at the police stations? Who would they see a police station on? Huh? We are in Ghana. We are not in America. Yenti Germany. Yenye Germany for. Yenye Italians. And we are not British. The level of our democracy, it has not reached that level. I say slow boy, slow guy, little. Move back, move front, move back. So we need strong mentalities. Man can say strong men with this so dabi. Ehyan krofo mo adwene do mutim no mu eduru na esigina ye to face the hooligans of the NDC. Bra, mama, papa. Until you see 2024 at the police stations, did you like it? Say MPP party call MPP na enkwasiafo du mienu bi timoto so etimi konka the whole police station. Say a party called MPP are recognized as one of the systematic sabio political party in the whole of Africa. Not 2024. Yeni NDC for nimguase for kwakotoa ba. Na ye leaders atumi atenase ama yena yeti aban mu. The police were not able to protect us. And at the same time, party yeti aban mu we are the head of state. We are the commander-in-chiefs of the Ghana Armed Forces as at December 7th. Now, the party was begging for protection. Every polling station in Ghana was massacred by the NDC, Adentia, because of lack of experience, because of lack of strong leadership. Organization. Manner to organize the polling stations ahead of those elections were the problems. Because our leadership was broke. A chairman there, so it is accepted. But where was the secretary? What plans and a secretary Eddie Gu from apart from the Ghana police? And this war opposition had enough men to conquer every police station in the country. Now we that were now going around begging for protections. But what in here, pa? A party in power, all the national resources are in your hands. The security of the country is in your hands. The money needed is in your hands. But still, we were not able to even protect our voters, our supporters, we were not able to protect them. Sana edeko 2028 yana. Sana edeko 2028. Into 2028, December 7th, do we want the same type of leadership to go and organize our elections for us, or we want to bring in change? 2028 abatono enyagro. There is no man born by a woman on this earth are you happy to give power away. Put this one in your mind. MPP 1.4 for the general secretary position, for the chairmanship, any diaka fatu timuse nipa dasani bia ni ho wa asase we so a tumi kitana eye ne de na eye ne yenka ne se ahomene so obegya tumi num ede ama enipa foforo enti se NDC kita tumi na Ghana mamu yedi kan ka say elections is by 8-year cycle. Now you see 2028 4 years. We want to kick NDC out of power and out of the presidency. Masa, it is going to be a very strong and a very high and a very intensive election in 2028. So in 2028, MPP need a general secretary like Henry Kwabena Kokofu, who can, through his knowledge, experience, I'm choosing my words very carefully. We need Chairman Kokofu. Obetumdi ni nim di aboa yen. Obetumdi ni experience aboa yen. Obetum so di ede yen kan say na ho fama ne ni posture ede aboa yen. Ama your party na look strong enough that the opposition or the opponent will fear if it thinks of going to attack our people. I'm if you are not coming, I'm to us, I'm coming. Hey, one of the reasons why we lost the election 2024, say our party communication was broke down. It was broken. Now our party, the deputy communication director, any question penny say a friend. I'm a person media term. I mean, cool it down. Yes, yeah, deputy communication director. Your friend Owusu Bempa Abua Papo. Tell me, pa. We are talking about a nipa dasania. Ono sana de Bawumia ye biaye nahi. He was the communication director, deputy communication director. Na onama broche so kwa kuchichini Jonas. Jimmy. This is because we did not have the man, the right man. Yes, MPP have the manner. It is the reality. But we must to bring them up. We must to show them. We must to let them appear in front of us. Say, these are the men that we said we have them. They are here and they are here for us as a party. So this is why I'm telling you. Because if Chairman Kokofu is the general secretary, there is no way say Yebe German DC for after social media abo moboso. Abra yenim sene. If you want to, have an effective communication, opese o kan asem na nuru amamfo no a. Without social media, you will actually get about 20% of the target that you are after. But look at what happened. Because of poor leadership in the MPP 2023-2024, even common social media communication was a problem. Because, I don't know if it was lack of experience. I don't know if they didn't know how to go about it. I don't know if they thought to say, they were so bigger than social media. But with Chairman Kokofu, who knows the dynamics of communication, effective communication, will never allow the social media to become a powerhouse for the NDC to lie about the MPP with anything that they want. So the MPP actually needs strong men in terms of mentality to lead the party 2028 general elections to win. Senior man, there is no man born by a woman on this earth. Se tumi kitana obejamu di ama okwa. Mpenfo ka se ba ni se yesi koton wo maame na fakoji tumi a ese fa wo maame ko na koji tumi no onsaka tumi na ade be cho be dane wani na wo maame ye de na begina wo dan achi. It is a fact. Tumi aye tumi. And see, I'm first strong men in terms of mentality. I'm medium people in 2028. NDC will not hand over power to MPP just like that. They will never do it. Because Mahama has tasted power before. 4 years or a president. He was vice president for 3.5 years. Every year president. Esam year president for another 4 years. But because he tested power and he saw what is the meaning of holding power, no, he came back in 2024 to come and hold the power again. I want to draw your attention to something. In 2020, John Mahama Kananimu Siso, up to 2024, Abreye declared no president. and I'm so when you're to me, or can animu see swa and copy 2024 and so all tin and him and shall see Casasre. To tell you, say 2028, we need men who can actually do the right thing for the MPP to rise again and become the party that is going to lead the country with our own representatives. Yeah, Makasa na say me senior abantino. Me didn't ba platform no so na yene no adi nkomo kakra. Ti meso se share video no like comment na enko yanim. Unyan subscribe to channel no so ana subscribe. Now subscribe we so don't forget to put your finger on the bell. Said the bear. Say ban say me ba life. Me the program fufuro bia eba won catchly. Now mo be one of the first people on sa ebeka notification or be joining. Ras Media GH. Chairman. Hello. Chairman. Well, Chairman Yama, moment Chairman video na emna sisia.
Kwama bonfe, doctor. O kan se bo so obetimi a anka mayoku NPP NDC fo atiasi man Kokofu growing areas ko busan sem ko kanza kuye nyai. Ana hana akofa bai. Yeti o mem ha. Na NDC fo ye in opposition. Omuya press conference wo Kokofu growing areas. Omuya press conference e wo baby a yutu for magudie. Small scale mining, illegal mining, ekoso any ade. Omkra dum kujina nsuya no konkonso. No ma ye home press conference no ma ye bibia. Enti say our futuo papa bia mesre no on director NDC for. If we say in opposition they did it, and in government so omo ye. Enti no ayo abeye wonsu ene oban. Say ekotia won a na so mtumrika na de ye fita akra omo kokasa yetutum. Abra omo opposition. Koko kuafo de me se me kuani anka de enima ne se eja bam no mo hoyi hwesofo ye ne hata na ewo ne akari na de kona aban ono anu ananso o se afiwe koko se ne etono na che se o se de enimu ane se ye betu koko mu free se abakwasem ebebo ase na I stand to be corrected. Aban ana o man ye na adwen say ye Kokofu free Kokofu akuafo ho ye de kwa ama no ne koton abakwasem kire say ebra eba ye dikan na Kokofu crisis ho nsensem ba ye first president Kwame Nkrumah person ne boa wi ase abadwa so na boa na ye de ma Kokofu na ne nye ho nya za na tie enu ti o se ne ye nton on silo si na sisi tema no besi na onsa da husio na da husio de ntina Dr. Kwame Nkrumah yes ade no oye kopin se koba se ye Kokofu esese ye disie na ye kora no na ye pempensuo bi duru na se ye beda da ni o se ye beton no kro ye beton wo ya ende na oye besi ne sa facilities ni nyina da ho. Aso going forward, government upon government, dear she say ni ya fa ho biem e de asi ho akopem say eduru ba bi na ye Kokofu or how ni ade wo mu a ye betimi aso ano. Now, in contemporary Ghanaian politics, aye wo mu sisi. The first time Kokofu bo e call for more affect the national economy. And yes, Abre ya you me. Yes, Abre. Under President J. Kokofu pencil. Kokofu walk of form. True or false? You be so. And that me be said you are down. Say no crest Kokofu walk of form. But President Kokofu knowing a bre any how any man who na Kokofu farmers come and son a woman tinyanya no bae no. Na omani timi emunani musuna on katanani na ohwese akuafo ebedakom enti ebo no yanti so. Indeed, under President Kokofu pensie Kokofu bo ko fom ewo ewiase abanya so
President then Nana Akufo-Addo kase ebo ko form de nanso ye kase Kokofu afo ebo ade mamono ye tiso a ebe ha adwene emmoa mo munniye nti aban befa eka ewo mu ni bibibia na yama mo bo no se de tie na ye nuanu min NDC in opposition si aferi aban tiri mu odin na se de tibia no si Kokofu bo kra ko form mpa ye free bibi premium pricing said the MPB. Enuti ebetimi aboa na akushin. Living income differential. Ya ni kodi bo anu nyina na ko negotiate ye. Yes sir.
Peace FM. Yes, Chairman Kokofu no and I woten in Kano. Chairman Kokofu and I woten in Kano. On the wenyan to boase the history of how the MPP government in every time was support to the cocoa farmer. You hear the man. Predo was saying, and what is a Chairman Kodia pa the spiritual rhymes. The spiritual rams na me lusuaba. Aben and under Kodia leadership. What is a Kodia sola betnasi radio so say oni amanfo ekasa. Okotre radio so a brofo na oka. Okotre radio so a bukulongo na oyo. Kakasa no kasa na se bi odie ye maame no mote ase. De papa no mote ase. The area manum any anana wanom etiasie. Speak that language. Now obia oko omo aso asie omo ho ne omo akwa din komo. Oko ni frani ho e de ade akokyere no. Oko akokyere na nim se hwe. Obaya den na watumi akasa amana duru aso. Because the middleman Ghanaian are well educated. How can Merasem or can law ne wine or Tiasiano? He has already made his mind where to vote, whom to vote for. And the communication in communication of its own. It is not meant for the higher or the elite people in the country. It is meant for the lower class level people. And the asemna wokano, it was one kind of language common to that group of people. And yes, I'll be kasa and fear their son. It was a one kasa. Enipa na oni omo kasa no. Enipa na oni omo kasa no ebete wo nkomo ene wo nsem a wo ka no asiye. This is what I love about Chairman Kokofu. Chairman Kokofu will come into, Chairman. Na Chairman, my friend, didn't come out to say only penny be na kasa. This man, the respect that he will give you. The respect that he will give you. Chairman Kokofu. The respect that this man will give you. How he will level himself to your level to talk with you. And the papa be say, Obaso no bedin komo. Now I don't think say you will ever think say this man is somebody. He is playing what we call a seniority game be also. You will fall in love with him because he will rather come to your level and make sure say whatever he is saying no clear to your minds. That is the communication skills that we need. Yakla brofama me. Me banama baba kanya kodie. Me bakura me wo no be say 9 years nie. Keti obetumi ayema na yeye. Obetumi ayema na yeye. Next General Secretary, what I do best, and say, me ba na de yatre, ma betra se, na makai ni nyina na meko. Dabi. That is not the General Secretary's position. It is not only about reading. Your frade your effective communication skills. Effective communication skills, you know, it is a lot of things all joined together. So we need that skills to know. Now we are say you are coming to talk because of say you actually go now obekanya wieko obesori akọ na enipa ante de okaye na say. That is why the NDC supporters are in love with Asiedun Katia. And India, NDC supporters are in love with Asiedun Katia. Now me ametiai as MPP member and MPP supporter and believer of the MPP ideology. Let me tell you something. I don't want the MPP General Secretary or Chairman to be like Chairman Asiedun Katia. That be a yatemudie edema yen. Yen right for no. The manner in which Asiedun Katia act as General Secretary or Chairman, to me, it's like dictatorship. And yet democratic political party secretariat or chairmanship position. That be all what I see in Asiedun Katia is a dictatorship pre-positioner or conduct on a home. But look, what is happening? What is happening is that because the NDC are made up of this character, Asiedun Katia fit them well. But in MPP, such character can never stay. So I'm not saying, say, we want a general secretary like how Asiedun Katia was in the NDC Derby. It should be other way around, because in the history of our party, it is the NDC that rather copy from MPP. And MPP na copy from in every aspect, in organizations of the party, in ruling the country. Every time, every moment, it is actually the NDC that comes in to take some of our manner of doing to protect themselves from being going in corrupt, because many a times NDC has a risk to go down in the history of the Ghana political arena. And I don't want Chairman Kokofu to become as Asiedun Katia, but I want a chairman over that character of an MPP man. MPP ni, MPP moja, MPP DNA, MPP no DNA no nom no junso, MPP no ne. Aye. Secretary, General Secretary, Nensa Enkoshe, party leader be the bottom. I am so santi. Se leader ne kasa, onun tumi kasa. We don't need any General Secretary. Enam ahochire bi e ba ne so bre bi atwemunti. Enipa bi no mo ho a ontumi nka omo asem. We don't need that. We need a secretary, a general secretary. Or a self-made man. Or a man of himself. But at the same time, no, or what tinka edemon no ankasa the party. That is what we need. And that is why we are calling for the man called Dr. Honorable Kwabena Kokofu Henry to come and lead the MPP party in the aspect of General Secretary. Because we have the man. But I know now we were not talking about JFK no more. That time not JFK. Now Odaso and in secondary school. When the MPP was boosting himself, we have the man. We have the man with integrity. No, that time no. Now we were talking about this type of man. Chairman Kokofu no. Momo ba man from Penfoni Dreaman said John nom. Yes, mention the names for me. And now the Danko Kufuado nom. Yere J Kufuo nom. Momo ba Mudrimame. There are many. Those were the men that we were saying we have the men. So that's why my brother, my sister, if we actually believe in we have the manner, this is the man. He's part of those men that we have. Hey, Abusia, you see a druba bina hochelo. Now a damn fubi buawa wahau. And I believe that is very true. So kwa hochrim. Now a damn fubi buawa. Sometimes how kese pa eno de ababe toso. Why am I saying so? Because we are down for our bono. Sometimes it becomes even difficult for you to look into his eyes and tell him the truth. That is what Justin Kobia is facing. Justin Kobia, oni sabio Nana B. Oh, di omoye. Ene ye kofa video bi brɛ me a Justin Kobia Nana B. Omonam Kumase. Omoni omo atamfo na nam a omo kɔ ayebom. So what I want every MPP supporter, every MPP member, obekwa akoto abani bi in the terms of choosing the secretary of the party. No, we have the men. He is one of the men that we have. Self-made man, well experienced, politically exposed, highly educated. What else do you need? Chairman Kokofu, enya afe na obebo ne brɛ. Enya afe na obɛyɛ amanfo bi mu yesa masa ansana watumi akonanim. He has been in charge of many government institutions. He has been an MP. Maybe watch now. Why deep almost all the type of positions in politics apart from president. So enya afe na okoye obi mu yesa masa. Ansana nipa no amana kwanya mana beye enipa. He is a man of himself. That is because he wants to devote himself for his party. Because obeka ya brebi atwam obaha. Say ye wo no to MPP mo. Na nifie na busua ne maame they are all MPP nya fei and obepene ho. That is why the man is on your knees asking you to vote for him to come and lead your party in the secretariat. I mean, in terms of secretary, now, yenya man. When I say man, remember this: man with strong mentality to lead your party, because 2028 is not going to be further. NDC will never give you power, just like giving young kind of say pano to Accra, Abra Ufria Kwantu Maba. NDC will resist, and if they can maintain the power, they will never give it to you. Because power there. What you say nyom da yetine oni wura num. Entu ma men kona men ko fa chairman emra. Chairman.
Aja.
Me mo akwa ababiem And then so you're saying,
Joshua bro, Braras. Yes.
yeah, you know, I just so. But you want to say,
Oh, I don't know Bible in my way.
yeah, the Yanko Ponce. The Yanko Ponce. The Yanko Ponce. Papa na, me dey na mesha asientem. And then mesha asientem. Na dia na ekoso Ghana ma na dia na esi akuafo esu na esifo esu teacher fo esu. What is happening? Dia na eko.
Mamema atiefo ne ahwefo ne enuanom agye pene se ne omo baba odumadi so na omo so abekire wa adwene. Mamema obi adwo.
Obi adwo so.
Emphasize da ma twedi ampon se na domara kwa. Ama de pebichin enyuna adwo wo Ghana. Na min se be biara obi a wonso sa pepepe na bia etie. Nipa etwa adwo. Nipa esu ne dofo adada. Baby se obi be dada okra na bia na how pi but the no say odo no na ono ko na krana no na wayi ne si aduasa ka kiro se opewasem na opewie die odrum pempenso bi na ankopa saa na aya abebudu na aya rehosem
Of course.
kwani bia minim no na no dem adan a onu ninu apani onso yekwani Kokofu na Kokofu a de call ma ban toye impianika nti benini yare kwa hospital na sse koto aduro be 250 cities skani bi way nti ode da hono phone afemu ahwe na kwa ti ya dia se enumrei nyese neba menya agofro to bi di kwan mu akanya dia megidi Enumatu nti ngambo achina isa mefaso de ya fast be na awotwe na sa pene ne kra esretwe di ampoma se offense yi enye no stories ni bi obibia nti kra fantiga ana se ni pentini nya Kokofu ameka was na bede be se fi se omaga na be boss unim sa akakuma bi na yeko independence minim bribia bae or through the government and then on my penny or a share for any catchroom said Sika, ye boy I didn't pop. The enemy in I think down that two said you Tom Coco this is that. That's all but Kobaka you are the 4 pence. Oba said we are say Amegaso Kokofu board Kokofu. Now, so you're up because if we afford it, you do one way. Kokofu board from Kra, the Bemana said the OR.
Yeah.
2017, the brand and Abdan Kokofu had the South in Australia. One of the major challenges of facing Kokofu prices. I'm on it. The Kokofu. So there be if we afford it, Roma bread. And the Giaomagio may see all. Now starting school, now starting economics. Yes, Kokofu is the backbone
of the Ghana economy. Yeah.
What you be a boy and then the crowd. That's it. Yes, it just born out of one. Now the friend running for crack. My auntie my bawa 1 2 or 1 see also made up Kokofu. No my Kokofu. And to sustain a minor economical. Until you were to father today, and also a man of the father. And I didn't want to do the you were to father say, Kokofu, one at the mom of 455. A yet the announcement concern me, the name Benatas, the mom 3,100 per bag. Then this is for in opposition. Almost a ferry, almost a man penny or weekend. A Greek minister came.
Yeah.
Now, finance minister came. Indeed, a lot of them. We are enough. It will be in Kokofu. Say, or my penny kufuado, a suit in mounts, and if you crack 6,000 yankas. No more do mobile bema, mobile na ja man for the apple play or 12. Now, dear, I am a one, and it's an opportunity to buy as a president, Muhammad to conclude, or the 100 cities pay and a car.
Yeah.
But you know, I send the signal, said me, or can the baby a come. Yeah, there was me, look some and something, or kind of why. Nadia, the tea born of cocoa, catching me and look for a papa. So someone said, so, daddy, the enemy. Yɛhwɛ anim obiara ka ɛkɔ a ɛhyɛ first year, second year, ɛkɔ forward. NDC because of resetting agenda, Oma resetting cocoa farmers, Oma resetting back to Omo ABC.
And that's a reset agenda. No, a cost or sector be a
cost you don't buy see a resettle. Kufuado are settle. I'm could do 3,100. Yeah, settle. I'm about 2,500.
Back to the
we had their weapon. What I say? That is the point. Now, if you want to answer, a job I'm more than I'm a crew. Who you man why ya feeling quite a drilling penny. The offer, the nananum, the yerenum, Indianum, one or the show. It's a fidua, or ya conta no be I know when you know it. Free Yananum person. You be the brilliant, December called December 25th. A hoda cuckoo, Sikaba.
Yes.
A mono say giant.
And grandad, yeah, and then I say,
Untisa cuckoos and another talk to man. Am I yellow? And the tonta, dear, Emma,
yes.
And no, and the talk crackers.
Yes.
Crackers.
I'll be a biscuit to be a white one, you know. Yeah.
I feel when Kwa and that on Dramani Maham, Yahu Kukosika, Yantil home Kukuye. We are for your Duomuka. Mind the Omuka. Mantini and talk to her. Mantini and talk Quada, Quadanta, dear Bruyan. Coca-Cola. Couldn't say Fiebri or have seen a fiafin or no Coca-Cola.
Yes, of course, yeah.
To one bottle no Quadabe, Siana Moche. Nina bon. Now, we are 3,100 now. And I could find the moon. They don't deserve it. We here, Sukukus, creating social security. And what is so boom. Nanka German and Trahasa, Quamontain, or Cobodewu, up referendum and sign a country woman say. The cocoa farmer organ, seen a near Japan, see a Tinisicas. Hot and strong. I seen a near J. Care the man on Yatesu. That's all man which them no man echo and we hear one. And to cocoa farmer no quan or sacrificing no end to go away.
Dabida, there were different sectors. Yeah.
You see, Ras, a tearful team. What the NDC government is not getting it right, and he said, Cocoa, Sikana, producer price in the farmers. Afibia said, a bino, a siginaya, a centennial de two swords. May a buying, many more cocoa for our modo cocoa for. Out here, qua pam, a pama air corn say. Sikabutini say, and near the bema. Now, your jitum, na fe, your money is your chiba.
Yeah.
And with your friend, a guaranteed price.
Nice. Yes.
When you did your way on his eye,
Chemimuye pa.
and your catching queen say a guaranteed price. It means that over to me, I shall hold out the as soon near the above. I use it to plan.
Yes.
Guaranteed price. What if you said there's another form of guarantee? Maybe your man will nipa be that enjoy. When you go to the Constitution, 1992 Constitution,
Mitiopa.
Article 71, office holders.
Okay.
As Abraham Enoka say, MPs, ministers, friends, government appointees, the president and the vice president. One to me kuta one. Their salaries are guaranteed to the effect to say Constitution is so person will year on salary no be there. Ubetumi amana koso, they will need to be. Are you aware of that?
No. This is something new that I'm hearing today, and
check the Constitution. It will be Omakatia, a guaranteed to the point.
Untouchable.
Ma for that. So who go who is also for touch there, except us. Now a woman said, Amabra and Kakuku, a Katiaho assembly. Now, so in principle,
yeah,
baby, Nikuku farmers, a quapam in principle, to the effect, say, producer price is guaranteed. The word is guaranteed.
Guaranteed.
Now,
Mitio. Asemo ya wuka mama kai bra na ekọ school. Yetimi bie school na sika ni fia. O papa timi hwe Kokofu owo. Na akwaje bosia afiri obi ho. Yetimi kọ crash ho. Ni akwaje be se koko boto enum esia sika. Na ye de kwa akoye de wo se yenye. So like ya wuka na se koko akuafo no binom ewo how kese mu pa.
If he said they relied on the government's promise of guaranteed producer price. And no more forecast here, no more the year. This is what the Kofi Menuka when you say or Karikuku bag what they are here. So,
yeah,
send off I say the dear all person be too quiet here. Now you say the buy you are going to do now Kuku that they ever do.
That men come story now.
So, empty baby, a buy way. Edi Kokofu afuaduro. Eyade ahomete papa they made a very serious mistake.
Yeah.
Omurefi omo ka se Kokofu farmer na uhunu wo mreda ne no. Sorry anopa no akobo atode na Kokofu no so a watie na wabo na wahata na wo na okokare. Ka so no nko an.
Dabi.
These are households war a titsu nipa binum bebre
yeah.
A man na nanom of asifo including people in government.
Yes.
And yet the sweat and toil of these poor cocoa farmers and the neck omutin churo no mu wi a itimi mo appointment no mutimi tina VAT no mutimi fly first class where play mu kwama itimi di omu birthday where play na some bread yasa omu hwe ha
honorable amanfo di omu birthday where play
oh unya ngumi
honorable asem we dey mu eda dodo
what they train now your appointment here. I want this one. Most easy to.
Well, in fact, I say we are okay. The Biana mechanic I say read it. Very sad. Say NDC from point for be northness. Yeah, yet him say northern region. A Kokofu sika na dey here omu nyina school. I ne. Omwadru babi omwadru. So look at what they are doing to our cocoa farmers. Omo so omo asene from the Kwame Nkrumah era of free education to the north and semapem ne cocoa sika. And when you baby jina Kokofu afona ye to asi won so sa. Asem no dey
na say ukondo na afa apaso a asokwan de onu odi apaso ye dey niti no asokwan onu what you see we bi ni niti no wafa wa paso kesi a asokwan na ukoyi niti no
ukoyi niti asem
wow Kokofu ani onu mi ahene ye dey mani a ye kan wase mi ahene so we share bra or bread, we share fifra or tear, we share na Nana Kufuor 3,100. What's it a year?
Kura. Yes, kura.
Now, who the 2,500? Who bought them will say? Now, what kind of big brother may a new granny coming through?
So they are trying to justify themselves. And no
Voodoo mathematics. Voodoo. We are here na people we have seen as a Kokofu mathematics. Because Mathis Ebinum say, Mathis Ebinum say, 169 parliamentary seats. A Soteba 137 seats here. Now 137 seats. A Soteba 87. Ebinum say another year.
Well,
Ebinum say losing 32 seats, you know. And yakura. Nemo who lose 15 seats there. And yeah. What kind of I didn't have possible as you never saw analysis.
Chamai, what they make on to the young cohodalet, the encoding como. Ma Yahudia could young cohodalet.
I mean, NDC Subana, yeah, well, depending more people name because you see, we are contact arithmetic.
Yes.
Now, and the mathematics. It is how we do mathematics NDC for I actually Ghana for a afford. Mummy and Shane, ya if you say you must some, what's it 3,100 and yes, self for temporary. Nemo would all good take for about 2,500. We see we are seeing our way and some of the new room.
Say, Papa.
But what kind of education? And no one will tell them the call.
Yes, but Chama, yeah, Bahos is any about the Dinkomo, Minya Kakari TV, SK, or Sementia Pa, Emano, or so.
Wow. SK, I know I did.
SK, so what's the Chama, Eden Chaka Sema? Chama, Nana will can't send be, and when a maintenance number be south, the main questions here, I want more say maybe south. Power chow. A sippen 1 PP a man you come say, flag better be co election. Now be lusu. Na yebebo fragment ano yebebo ne e can say aso I see that everybody three so na because I think that there is an ideology ni principle be 1 PP me call elections na lusu a ye won crofo ye hold o more accountable but by history any experience or 1 PP party ye to aba na say MPP amon na homodena. Who are the responsible for that?
A public knowledge.
Okay.
I did that hope the way and yet Ubina also a papa year if you the year na research. My FM free era 1992 era the Dubai professor.
Okay. Yeah.
When you acquire the party now you're quite Sabreno, now you decide to presidential. Now, Brefufro, a to parliament.
Yeah.
The Bray to presidential year. Now, the patriotic party, it's a candidate, Professor Dubois, Yami Fanny Crans. Now, dream pum, and then Nyan Sam, a friend and a yard there. Yes, say, ye boy of Crow. Nunti Sadia, ye now control parliamentary.
Okay.
Until the broadcast of friends boycotting the party.
Yes.
And on a bay, back and forth. The Binum Sidadi. Would they call parliament presidential now? What you should at last. My young concourse son, Cosoya more than so shame. No parliament. It is our time or no, we lead the whole party. One Tiasi. The Koba said you're boycott too. Natural, the stolen verdicts.
Yeah.
Professor Queen, maybe more than like a queen. So,
yes.
Former Speaker of Parliament. Now, going forward, party Penifone party matching as no incident. Yes, I kwaku yi Frankatuni. Ti Frankatuni a yeku for 1996 elections. Omu nyina koko gyina die yewura Professor Dubois gyina. Anunti The quiet country and Nona Kokofu emerged as a winner.
Okay.
Let's just say that's a flag bearer.
Yeah.
Now, I've been part of the and you lose flag bearer lose. Nemo, so I'm Maho I'm my uncle to parliamentary now for say about the answer. If you say will show that kind of
weakness,
selfishness.
Okay.
I'm quite man here. Yes, so I see who a president for parliament. Yes, so MOA. And no one party na the train us. And yet lose election. And no. Na party man say, the why ye why the Sam I do and you the Maji for His Excellency do the corner 96 about one, ye new kunim. And naturally, Nanka as a party Marcus, you are for also so went me up. Yeah,
yeah.
Party Master Daddy, you maintain him. No more deep party anymore. Party level. Omuni and no more asenka. So they punish them. And no man, you rather book it, imagine as General Secretary when you got to party. New capital, I did the bay itself.
Yeah.
And fast forward 2000 elections, the way you didn't quit. It didn't quit him. Depending on every film, posted your flag bearer or DJ for our wedding president. Yeah, the abaso body, any young shaming in my party before. Honorable Dambuche, be seen there. Yeah, claim to say only the most successful party.
Generous. Okay.
Our new patriotic party. And for that matter, General Secretary, the most successful. No doubt.
After many years being opposition to come to power, you need a lot. You have to do a lot.
He followed it up. Into year, side for penny and Casapra and a penny to us. He followed it up and he sound winning 2004. The Obey minister, Tia Copiemo, and I not even to be soon as General Secretary. And no, Anna, your flag bearer. SSF free day before a corner another that before Sabe no a foreign minister. Enti a coba na party ye nisu adi mu nyina say ye company deal to say na ye simply deal pass. Unfortunately, we won the round one, the first round with about 100,000.
Yeah.
In essence, but ye to me
the 50% plus one, yeah.
The course second round, and the area of what the Cabasinico was. See, Babaya posted that Congress, not me, Bantama chairman, Menana me head of security.
Okay.
Committee, I was an integral part of the organization of that Congress. General Secretary Sabrina man on taboo a Cambrophobia with the party massive daddy. So what did you grow that?
Overcall.
It's the man who offers a job and then bed.
I'm in funny crazy.
And you could never so and now on call Yembra 2012. Your father 12 and a prince. Yatia was a Supreme Court. A whole Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia be Betty as a star in Ghana politics. 23 you TI Supreme Court. And Unti a Senate Court Taman. See a Korea Shebri. Kamali Sports Stadium. You do honor the rest of your Cambrophobia with you Punyabia or be a party master daddy. Where do you go on there? Your master now, General Secretary, you will need no chairman. And no other man, engineer Kwabena, at the edge of Japan, where you may as General Secretary.
Yeah,
Chairman
JP.
Afuku Paul came
Yeah.
on board. Bibinti and Comodia and Ye Peno, they say we are knowing Omotranche. National organizer, not Ubia Kedinshi, John Ward, a fee now, and Mamranic say, or no bit me, and obey acting general secretary. 2016, our boy, the Quaba Trophy, Namijina Yachi, made in Kunim. Ye knew Kunim Keke, ye did Kunim and you Ghana, Mapasi, Fourth Republic,
Historical. Epic.
MPC, 169 seats,
Yeah.
53% presidential result. A whole another man who had the from what a fee, man, and Naya, and men told him. The yes, I did this year.
Yeah.
At the year, the 19
Akwadaba ya wabeyo. Jennifer Queen body day. I quite remember well. Yeah.
Enti yɛde abasobɔde bɔdeɛ ne animonyam hyɛ nyinaa ɛma
JP.
party. Obiara nka sɛ Nana Addo Akufo-Addo wayɛ adeɛ mpo na wayɛ adwuma. Then nti yɛdidi mu a na ɛsɛ sɛ party ɛsan kɔdwene yɛn ho wɔ Koforidua. Yɛbɔ ntoa na Wadu ne mpanyin sɛ hwɛ mode maa yɛ in an active position. Baabi a yɛde party no animonyam hyɛ. Mode ma yɛbie wɔ a yɛbɛkɔ yɛn anim akyɛnse. And party for am to see what you now the litmus test came on 2020.
Yeah.
A brand new we are seeing now here how Libya Kagana. In fact, that year, all countries are no more call elections. Certain governments in
Yeah. Because of COVID. Yeah.
But fortunate for Yay MPP, narrowly we won elections. And on the day, the historical hang parliament.
Yeah.
137, 137.
137.
If you are Fontana, you lose 32 seats. 32. There's a wild crown. What mango aso, no akote, mango, go contain, not be a chain out the good mango. Now, the other channel, not a word at the assembly. Say you say me now. When you bet
That's absolutely no. When you actually. Why should I do? Why should I do?
You patriotic party, man, yeah. And I know, and then sports stadium. But we just posted. You could go up on Tano, not Johnson. But the man, the year, the way no nature say, or how they are your party massive, no.
They never accepted that.
No. In fact, Oma always said the campaign, say 169 to 137, 32 seats, 9. And I'm penny party magic to me. And the man will know. It's not good being said, and that's all. Nanka party men said, Bibi Papa, be free, until say a car back to 2024. Then the free mobile idea. Education.
Bobo.
Apart from say, Ahmetinea, and you so come. From 137 now year old, about 87, let's say 50 seats. And for the first time in our history, you receive presidential 10 percentage points, 51% for 12%.
Yeah. 54 minus 41.7. Yeah.
So clearly, that people say, say, you win as a party. Party man, and you're prepared. Say, Omumbe be ashe. And unti Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia would be sad anymore. Assassin on the binum say, oh, you're fast body in our mom, or you're fine. A binum kind, be man, be tia. But party for any name them. It says no.
It's not his fault.
One, you know, will be kind of party, a caca crab in a blue. Two the other Singapore. Black bear, what do you trim?
Boba.
I can't womb. I know your woman, say.
Yeah.
And the air will be nice to West was a percent, and you be out because you didn't say a bedam time. Pay the records and pay the history. I mean, no account was all the positions are coming vacant, particularly the national secretary. Leader, our coordinator, our general secretary. Every damn time, because that has been the norm. Now,
the history remains, no?
And until the history remains, you will not change the flag bearer, but you will change
the party machinery. The party machinery itself.
Now, you see, NDC photo the dia. Now, it's required. Now, you a bra. Ye didn't kunim, no more didn't go. No more transit pee, she said, Daddy. I didn't ankasa in Nina. Near all the party, then him no potty, flag bearer, no moving a party, then she say, Nina swore, out. And truly, I just say, Bassy, I did took my in the car any name. Driver dear, who bet me a play careless. Maybe I be Biaba. Nearbo, Saka now Cassa engine, name one Yabos no more, a chimwa. Who go blame with driver be?
You can be the most perfect driver in the world. Can't into Ejina be Ejina. That's a chama. That's a mitiwa. We need to change party. No, you say I'm fancy say party no and come for mudi party na nim at the national level, right? Chama, my mentor as na misa wasem. Why ye MP pay? What the electoral area coordinator pay? What the polling station chairman pay? What the polling station agent pay? Why ye Bantama chairman? What did the 2 times? Baba be a financial administrator for KMA. Say ye can't profile of a politician. You will be qualified as one of the people more team go through all this from the lower level to the highest level. Baba be MP. Chamai, why do you want to be the general secretary of the party called MPP?
Yes, the okay some New Patriotic Party, and I'm a Presby. I saw them come a member. The next was a commander. They make a Presby getting the bedroom. What's the matter?
Metiopa.
A new Patriotic Party now farmers our platform. Now farmers our opportunities. Anna a don't make a pijama bedroom pepper swallow. Into the beer, me bomb and me, the Yimian Posi or them done as Syria. Nameda, your funeral woe me near dear woman, Assyria. Masida Kesipa common New Patriotic Party, particularly the constituency Bantamafo, particularly Asante region party. I want to make them in Queen. Opportunities in the Bia Benya Bia, and you hope that is the incubating grounds or the incubation. You see where I'm coming from?
Yes, of course.
Say, and Nani Ajawo, a show mouse here. Also, show
more to do.
The hear them. New Patriotic Party, wow, I am from every nowhere or politics. Could have been another person.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. But in politics here, New Patriotic Party have for through Bantama constituency, through Ashanti Region Party, and the group purpose. It is a party no aqua here. Na yepe nipa mo on abisum. Onso so oni nipa.
Oni nipa ya.
Enti se nipa approach me as kwa na wo libie. Wo nyina so. Wo we. Baby aye wo. Party ni be hia omo a. Ye be hia omo a. As I said, no, me can, no, befa apakai di misimuna, ya bomb, wow,
That be so you're loyal to your party, and you will not wait.
yeah.
On
And the only as that with me that in patriotic party, Mr. Bell Father. Already masum at all levels, but this is a crucial moment. A moment where the engine of the party is working. Party, structures, near a kutan on the danda, a worker, and only the national secretariat. And when you go to the New Patriotic Party Constitution, Article 10,
yeah,
national organization level. Now can be through the general secretary. So you see, say constitution is so clear. I say there shall be a national secretariat. National secretariat to be headed and coordinated by the general secretary.
okay.
Now a better say polling station, electoral area, constituency, region, national level, and then in Krabata party
Branches. Yeah.
branches. National secretariat and a better autonomia. Now the office are national secretariat or only general secretary. And it says, there. Now they say, if I'm free, my diaspora member, your founding member,
Okay.
Germany branch, your founding member. My year elect friend, polling station chairman,
Yeah.
my year electoral area coordinator,
yeah.
My year constituency chairman, my year friend, assembly member, KMB.
Yeah.
My year Ashanti Regional Finance Committee chairman, Ashanti Regional Reconciliation Committee secretary, Ashanti Regional Elections Committee secretary, communication team member for over 25 years. And Sana Makwa Bemu Akoye CEO for Environmental Protection. Yes. And I'm a member of Parliament. And to all departments now, National Secretariat, Constitution, I have done and done over and over.
And you be from Mount.
It is all, however, near Bubia, which coordinated these activities, and in these areas, in these branches, any units now. Would is sound by my way?
Why not Kofano?
Why would be crowd? Who go as a crowd and ye party no, ye near here, no here party. I say any about the foul, not to the cancer. So, the deal me here party no papa. I cannot, in my element as a human being, the Bobre say Unipa Assembly, but Drema, now command them na Mujadi Muafusa, na my young Shahana party, I call Sophie Moa, could do the other, Brabe war. I do much there, Unyamedia Domina party, Nankasa, and then my first entity, na make me our first service to the party. Why should I? I didn't know some yes.
It is not fair. So yes, I am fair.
Dapi.
Now say when you lawyer, only in Kaikra and Mark will be a free back. Yeah.
Emma, Nchini Kafo, Mabunu, idea where children crowds. There have been any parties, any or do dinner baby now, the roof, you're now poor bed. Into Emma, the real patriotism, the patriot now, a war you didn't want to, and to me, into out of patriotism, out of love for New Patriotic Party, out of loyalty, paying back what has been given to me. And I may person call Sergeant again. I'm the Bepua, na party is original.
Tama, you're dancing in Yano, Unyano, way, Kurana, Mama Kurana, my home class and Yamada, because really, I have followed you for a long time. I've seen what you are capable of doing. Even find out first of your communication in front of the NDC for no Kurano. And Mammy Phyllis say yes. And people forget say we have the MENA. That time we were mentioning names of some of you. So yeah, you make us proud of your devotion to the party. Chairman, yes, me Misa say, inshallah, assuming you become the general secretary of the MPP party, your first 100 days in office, and Yama Ben and Sisaye Ben, ɛne ntotoyɛ bɛn ɛna ɔde bɛba MPP party no mu a ɛbɛboa ama yɛ ahofa na yɛfa de akɔhyia NDC for 2028 no anaasɛ asi yie anaasɛ ɛbɛtumi ama party no gyina ne nan so ama sabio ama nipa afraid to come back into the party and do the good job for the party.
The first 100 days in office, the chairman of the party remains the leader of the party.
Okay.
The flag bearer of the party is the arrowhead. I don't know what the name together with Benina Yebepa, we will have to sit down and have a roadmap. A roadmap that says, flag bearer Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is to be the next president of the Republic of Ghana. The parliamentary candidates should necessarily be majority in parliament.
Okay.
And the first day in 100 days in office, that roadmap should tell us, and it should tell all party members, say, quite ben na year fast. Na redeem 82 seats na lose in 2 elections, 2020 and then 2024. First is redemption of those seats.
Okay.
To
go beyond. Yeah.
Go beyond. Roadmap then. Roadmap no teach you the many book na me hwe ebeye nkabomu.
Okay. Yeah.
Afi ahotoso ene ahohyeso your friend discipline.
Yeah.
Afi financial sustainability the party music asem ene enough. And then the also 9, the mobilization of membership. And no, you produce credible database. And the target will be to register 5 to 7 million Ghanaians across board. As the base of New Patriotic Party membership going forward. It within first 100 days. Amount for any say re-registration, re-mobilization, proper one from the polling station migrating onto the electoral area register, onto the constituency register, to the regional register, and finally to the national. And all these people will be made card-bearing members. Now, your member on dues card attached.
Okay.
And ensure say answer na obey member in good standing. Busumi biara as I said it me pia near verify. Now busumi ni do as national secretariat yabani abebu ho akonta ache amanfo. Se busumi we do so amutua eni. E wo form timomi akikan ana akosoro timomi amoyense. We will be accountable. At the core will be the youth of the party. If it's a re-registration exercise,
yeah.
Commission to do.
So it will create a form of employment also.
Exactly. Oh, now say electoral commission or be voter register, no register Ghana for or employ youth.
Yeah. Yeah, of course, yes.
Yeah, New Patriotic Party. Yeah, you know,
we have to, and it is a way to encourage them.
So first 100 days, people should be looking at this. You begin to start with this. Unity, discipline, mass mobilization, and data.
And sustainability, financially.
Financial sustainability.
Chairman, maybe so a question. If I say mobilization, the watch them as here, quite on befa soa. Ube to me, ayedin, aka mabunu, any nipa da senia bom, e 1 PP dinim. Watch the quite on befa so through the proper mass registration. Actually, yebe merging into the district level and also to the national level. Okay, BBC sustainability. I am very, very important, and Sabre where I me. I am very important. Financial sustainability of the party. As a metiasie ya do person chile say, MPP party no will not be dependence. MPP party in fana home koto and crofo bi bottomu. Nambom no MPP na nkasa no betumi atia abone hoka ayen ho adwuma. Pacho, how are you going to build this financial sustainability for the party? It is important that the people knows through which manner and obetuma MPP adene ho ewo sika from.
Asasina yon nananom ne papanom eje tradition nasi ho na ye tu ho ache. Ebinum ton won fuo kokofu ayeke. Ebinum ton ye. Ebinum ton wo wajapade. Ebinum kobo obosia. Indeed, it's on record. Says Santehene.
Yeah.
No yi sika. Free menshia. Say a fancy party. And right from there, at the Sapada Sebe, Oma no papa, at the 2 hour group benefits. The so of Obra.
Yeah.
And Unti New Patriotic Party group maybe no. Now, as I said, Beniti and Amo, na ye basic assembly. Unti, all was some woogie party, ma nominate. Some of finance committee as much. Yes. But they're not a any kaka say, I do any. Baby by you may be near friend Yibima to Bantama High Street, Kumasi Joe, baby Piara, Yanam store to store, Yama minimum Yibima, it will be to the Bonabosuma, 1 city, Hapre, no Yidama, near Jijasa. Near Boabuano, the day I a party. Near my Bermuda.
Okay. As if from the people's side, a man for omo akuma na ne disikadema party no. Yeah.
Yeah, quite a bab. Just a fee, you so said, it me a yuma, no matter who draw near the unfortunately, party Nankasa and Jessica now. Nemu, one, you do judge like the Mediana, even now, what time.
Yeah.
A binum so, and I'm pound also year or Numa, a massacre about himself. Into out of a mobro, and no door for the party, and I want to Mutum music. You are to be a friend of donor fatigue.
Yeah.
Say, will be donated and I'll donate to a course beer when you will be baby no abre. Yes, I will need you. Yes, I won't persuade. Well, yeah, abre.
Yeah.
Particularly, we now to be a woman since I saw a baby. No, a baby.
Yeah, and they're normal.
Until we, as I said, you're trying to free SAR system. Near Yapuma Sibridia, party Nankasa, when you saw a big Kakanta Crabba. Nasanuna Chinona and Yanomia of Binum Sem be now almost the only so bad come one. Let's just say a week.
Yeah.
That is
and I'm to do and same quite.
It's Brano party Nakasa, the means of revenue. And one of the easiest way is the payment of dues. But the payment of dues, must come with returns. You must know your members and the numbers. Members, Mondodo is saying, across everywhere. Then there must be accountability and transparency. Panitia dues capio da most important. Make sure say, Mubeda fine, I'll be boom up. And on the bank courage, the panel for a moment. And at the base of all this has to do with leadership. That will cause the mobilization, membership base, credible data, and now therefore, share any idea. A bill with the I feel your device near the vault, extra means say Ras Wowe now Ras decides say of a bronze member. You see, bros for Mutia 100 cedis a month.
Yeah.
The Biana, why fee pursue on your silver member. Silver tia 300 cedis a month.
Yeah.
Fibiana, war of a penny, or pursuit on your golden. Golden Mutia 500 cedis a month. Into your gap pata as a platinum for 1,000 cedis a month. This mobilization drive can bring in the money on a sustained basis.
That's why no cash flow you continuously, monthly.
Exactly.
Cash flow.
But as I say, we did not pray. So this is kind of the sefata.
Yeah.
So go up on Tana, go up on Tapa. And no, Anna Ebema, a dear Fusan in our part. That is where the sustainability would then be manifested. And I said, the dead.
Chama, me was saying bisa was Sikano, I was on fire the pa, now we need no cre, now you accountability, Emma. More a support and us or more modernity says Sika will on to me at Twasso at Pia. I mean, so some names, and we are my co discipline, come over first or any unity, come over first or the unity by a party because Sanya Mammy, no way, I am very, very, very complicated. And now, Menoka say, away a party. And me ba hobet me pacho sasem we are working transparency, accountability and other things. Chama me pacho through all these positions one handle in the MPP party has it been any moment sabio utumi efa kwambi so mobilize a fund ofa kwambi so etumi tutu sikasem yie emasa bio mpempenso biana ba biana wo no ana agency na na wo mu no mpempenso bone ana ogina wo sikasem fam etumi sesaye ebeye positive ana because you see the waye bi pen e wo ho aye nkofa me try ahwe enti ebre bi wo ho a utumi fa akwam bi so solve economical challenges e wo organization bi ana se agencies bi mu ana. Why you be paid?
To start with, party administration now, you will medical to be the chairman of the constituency. You are totally in charge of the constituency. And the constituency in the finances and then the article and to be two-term chairman, I never be a sebantam. And my baby ada. Sebantama secure the Koyajima.
Okay.
Rather, Bantama was always on his feet. Until I said Ghana, Florida. Until I said Bantama Kokofu. What you say? Until Hawk at that deal. My country said, Ashanti region, me finance committee chairman. It is a Kukudama, said we only say, would you already no bit near Yabwa. Regional chairman, and we did a wonderful job.
Oh,
finding money to finance the party within the region. Kapreba, Dama,
Amfababi. Serious.
In fact, Nana Danko Kufuadi 2010, 11, 12, the campaign in Ashanti region, I was responsible.
For finance.
Yes. I was responsible. I was in charge. Me call office, my maniska, now the Baba Yejuma, then Saka, now me prepare accounts now, me to the base. Those were the times. And the my country said, year before His Excellency, they make call KME as an assembly member appointee.
Yeah.
Now, you could do assembly biano, who said the country. Poster any break or assembly biano, finance and
administrator. Yeah.
Finance and administration committee convener. FNA, Zanny friend. Even though presiding officer and only the top most.
Okay.
But when it comes to the committee level, FNA, it will be any break. Now, me call KM and I'm good here. I see by design, not the virtual Friday. So Friday, na I told Friday from the presidency or castle. Today, I say be too quiet. Miss me, a battle.
Hey.
Tinipe, what did you do? Okay, honorable, okay, no problem. Nipa mi ensa e come on that night, and I near present to me dear. Me wa castle, a ball bed, no me, no bed 2 o'clock, then I call from KMSA. Honorable, one winning elections in absentia.
Wow.
70% of the votes. Yes, yes. These are facts. You can cross check. I mean, yes, I won elections in absentia. Mass Metropolitan Assembly as chairman for the Finance and Administration Committee. That time, no. Yes, I will. I'm a buyer, no. You did me any share. You're too near mama. It's on record, said that time. And hear me. You see, into if we pay your power. We laid solid foundation. We made sure the revenue collections were, and most importantly, leakages in revenue was stopped. Of course, I may be there anyway, but that was the work we did. My culture said, be open to person ko EP to them.
Oh, EP asem na hu hia me pa. Yes, nyoma da. Ya gina woni wura num, you know.
But the one that's the Public Accounts Committee, Parliament.
Yeah.
The one that's the until the be a na me person sound too much said at send ya blow.
Okay.
Na we boastful. Until ya na person for more than.
All right.
But Ross, we are what was nti me my own face na new one so na one here na Kokofu.
Oh. Eba ndra me twa from phone so mo wayi ma no.
Nti mo pass be Kofi Akosu. Nti me new one. Yes, of course. We could do Environmental Protection Agency. To start with, my fear home na baby a me when the baby a baby a my EPA 1 person during the budget.
No finance from the government. Zero.
No, zero. Until your be a friend IG, internally generated funds. We retain all the 100%. Now the be a PR or card be your operations. Tim could run our into not only to me funny part away. Now staff in 308. The name of Guaquel said, before I'm got 2 or more, and Mama Jenny, the board very, very supportive. Your boss chairman, your friend, Mr. Pisier, a very astute businessman. In fact, mining mogul, mining engineer, and just said, yes, to a board, no boy at management. And she yeah, you put me a pija. Your funny 100% account, about 760. The next year, the EPA for Akatia. Na ending na effort. They share a 2 3 times. They share making sure say cars name very few. They talk brand new and maybe be about 45 at a go. She share here say you better cut down costs. Now revenue leakages so you are breaking until within a matter of 6 months to 1 year. Now more than revenue, I have 4 times.
Wow.
It means our reserves for so and the share may be a control. The idea you invest into treasury bills a few number EP about 1.9 million cedis. No next and they have as a tank about 20 acres. More money transition atomic. It has a down ya friends so who like you see environmental village na you did an Kokofu center of excellence and I'm the free office. Kumasi, do on call lands commission. Opposite them, another vast land. I had for EP. And also, I see headquarters are less. I cannot best serve with the northern sector. I could not do maybe no free tamale wherever Sunyani near the Ome can cry. Within Kumasi. Now, what down with me? See, example two, Ghana on the international map.
Wow.
When we are talking about UN,
Through which means,
yeah, the exposure, United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. I don't know. I've always been the head of delegation.
okay.
Technical. We are not president, no head, but more or less technically. Now I have to step in. Then we're delivering speeches for on behalf of the president, and also engaging the international
community,
sharing platforms with people like Ban Ki-moon, Obama, Barack Obama, John Kerry, Prince Charles, King Charles, and other dignitaries. So to make Ghana proud and put Ghana out there. The most important legacy that I always want to share, and they say it change Ghana Environmental Protection Agency Act, EPA Act 490 of 1994. Changing Abanabe EP Act, Environmental Protection Act 1124 of 2025. President Kokofu signed it into law on the 4th of January 2025. And that one exercise need to be together with others. It was able to help Ghana receive close to $360 million from the World Bank alongside other activities. And sometimes one can't one better because we are already depending. And unknown people also. I supervised and I was director of a World Bank project that was $103 million US. $1, one person, I'm sorry, one person, the free officer, the one person. There had never been any procurement breaches or infractions. Nothing. Many of whom, Namen Pekrashe, Secatary and Adam, a human, and then telephone so down. I'm doing my head, but make sure say I'm the policeman and then policing them and all those things. So, about I will need any said the fine, the friend integrity. I know the Melko, Obianco. So the Obian can see a BCA kind of near that don't go there. And now Opesoniano on to my own permissive episode di Matema. Piano uncle. If you say hot, hot.
Baby, you better go be an address of Bedu Atema. You all voice out and defend you. Chama Medase, any no year, one of my feeling the senses of white man's way of doing politics, giving services to the people just for the interest of leaving legacy. Say a bebo dinkeke. Nsema oka ye nyina. Eye nipa asebio. The always say bebo ni dini say nam ne so na ade na sie because ye ni munkrofo a even 1 million Ghana cedi kura beto say yem fanye project on betibi na nka enye millions of dollars. So honorable, I'm really proud to have you on my platform. Me wa question my question be no the mommy we are na mama for bisa wa say me na manya we there. Yeah, there was saying myself be maybe so.
Chama no amu sam di wa chini and the name
Chama day oh yeah chiriana.
Actually me what we have send so me ye bi abo abi nya no Roma. So I will have to tell the di wa chini I here no the assembly.
Chama well, what do you my main focus we mona me mama for so to be miss out questions kakra. Chama, the people be a cancer MPP this time after this general election. It looks like say there is a kind of breakup at the higher level. Chama, you being the general secretary, inshallah. by drawing the roadmap, Dr. Bawumia, President 2029. Dear now, Beye, after this disunity, any faces about party, my say, we see me the way yachi, we see me away. Dear now, but Ubeya Fahon, Ama, and Kabum, Asayaba party. Now at the same time, San Kabomunum, Ebe Sanso de discipline, Aba Amayena, Ewa party.
Unity. Also, my time impress.
Yeah.
The idea here. You knew what Treno Crami at yes. Say, if you are Kabumuni,
Dabi.
also if you are a procedure, and I just
Baby, they quite no one at
the political party, Ghana, I suffer disunity. And the political party, no, in one. We CPP, the Unity Party, they are intimacy, the mini you knew where Mumma near what Timmy were coming, near the aye or Saje for the first president, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, on one Casanama you I will be this year. I hope you're getting me.
Yeah, of course, we listen. I'm listening to
I mean, seriously, this is classical example. And I don't think many so BI is or elements. Na dream pomu and then I come and New Patriotic Party with blue side library. The pennies are here, and near Tempa. Woman family member. Yedika. Leadership must be fair and fair. It will be a general secretary, the big painting, name the bear fan. Dear Mobeda. You're no being changed. A bad suba, Pia, ye susu ras, and only a little susu fellas.
Yeah.
A fita, a qua, a tutument. I feel so deep. Sebibini na obi ehente ana womunananim ana mpo ne seria kra nyefa. It's proactively ana tempaso the general secretary but what PSA for.
Yeah.
So how to say. So niani akukudro na ode san cancer no ne how no be dying party ben for see na daje etnase metie. Na enye se wutie fa wajade fa. If you so buy no or say ras edifufu na ja wa. Nye ho na akwa se na rafu ni pa mome and na rafu. Frère so na bisa. Na baby ask no kra na tese fufu no kra dey say rafu ko ni fufu di.
Only be kura mpo.
Ya wo frère wo no ni bida. Tini bia yensa na. To so kwa. Na bi odi ye pa no wa
on na popia on tente be charge.
Until you make all these available. Until humefia dear friend book knowledge.
Yeah.
As a study if you nyansa come. In fact, who for book knowledge 40%. Now I apply if you nyansa 60%. It is a good year to say more. And unti ye ya maame no wan hwe abeka se omu kusuku no ne maame bia ni ho a wo fufuo ni ya wo banche no ni awo bode no na obefra ma ofa bode si banche 60% na ofa bode 40%.
Abi
Sure say banche ni 40% bode no 60%. If you nyansa enka suku ni dio ni fa solve problems. Nye bibia na mrane chinchinchina ye tena sisinko ye pese nsem ni bi ho a ebeba no na wo ka soso abro sabi nipa party mechanism ne nema constitution no akwase we can go further ye general secretary ye be koye nim further ye be employ professional negotiators and mediators mo about and some will be not as I said, a 2-1 more than in Manimia. Now a change, and now CBA, and a car, and now we will temper. Now, so no bia so the ferreful.
Friendly.
Bia ferreful. One fee, Obacasa, Ubia, the ferrenas. Two new being 7 hours in Cobanasi, and we drew on Lucas. I see Micro from near you. That is a fair. Two few bia ferreful. That's simply the dia, Uniano, a 2 a day, friendly. Gatwa. The 2 way, Nanano, ne, young penny for a boss, jail, man, see her. Santeman titiri Brew Mensia, na Santa Hene, a free and then a court, a singunya, Santa Hema court, a singunya, near Pensen, same near Dia, some near D, Sebe, Abrabomun, some near Dia, a fat for one. We will say yes, say what you. These are indigenous traditional knowledge.
Yes.
You found no more, you said this no more. That the textbook be anywhere but you.
Daddy.
And to say my colors, the lawyer, the idea, the way, my way, the PhD, the masters, 9 room, woman, Sifina Sana, the Kataso, now I'm more by now 5 useless. The certificates are mere papers. The letters, BSc, LLM, this is who applies our knowledge. Now the Fenians are now to solve problems, challenges, conflicts, disputes. Until you better know, you need to move here. You didn't sit here, move here. You move here, can I say? You be ma afenu, Nina, be a with you, you really don't crack to it.
Chama, medase, any and some way ya no, Eddie Amame. A man for questions, mountain, presuming could alert into their questions, said the bear. When you said these days you are really busy up and down, going and coming. So I would like to end my personal interview here. Mene Chama Kokofu Ena 18 Komo, the incoming General Secretary of the MPP party. Ono anything Komo, our platform way so. Medenchia kese MTF a sebio ene monimi nyina eche video wi anase monimi nyina eche show wi efa medenchia kese ma fisherman sanso na medenchia kese ema miwia osei Anthony miwia kakari TV me da so echia wi pa ma me sta me chiao nana kwabena nana tei kwabena me chiao wi pa samija si me chiao George Frempom me chiao and me ankasa me kwabena blight John kwabena blight wonso me chama me ya Frempom me chia wo yi pa abusiamfo ya drum pempenso bi a the questions are welcome enti me the phone line no to ho na wo question bisa no what to me abisa I think say it is time say ebema chamai anum nsuo kakra na ya sha ase abisa ne questions kakra enti mesrew wo question a untumi mfrɛ emisa no you can write your question in the comment section box na ya to e de ama chama na chama eyi na no since we have one caller on the phone and we get me afa na call directly from the system aja otemenka acha you no so
I de nyame asese nyame ama wonkwa ahoden wo mu dedi ka machia tiefo nyina na machia me wo fans Kokofu se bi nua pani so a machia no se wo frɛ no a na wanya kwan na waba no so abɛkyɛ na dwene aso me pese me bisa se bi enua pani na ye wo fa de pese me bisa no se MPP for se bi o ye nsua de yensua de adesua na meka se yensua de no a me pese wo so ansama me ne se ye kwa akotia ama se ana owini ye papa jama afi o mo so onte brofo brofo na wonte no o mo ye ya na atwire no ye de afi ye se akoto aba no ama se no esam komokofa no na woba mo amfa na ma na mkofa nipa foforo mpanimfo se jaman nka de jaman ka de yifru wadwemu so de enya dwuma mpanimfo ebetumi akopa chew na de ferefo bi enso aka che ne so ja bibia manenka wosomate obede nam ho nanso nipa no mudi na chi o moto aba no ma no nyina no ono betumi no makasa se aba na kra mo nkoto ayeko ayenu ni madi o musa akoto ye enipa kro no amode ne call first no onya 9000 votes 9000 votes na onya aye no musa akofa nipa no musa akofa nipa foforo musa ekrom ho na ewo no ahono ko school wa kira de ewo ho ene ba ye ono onya 4000 se nipa kro no 9000 na onya aye no se ko onya 2000 kura kan ho a se ko onya 11000 se ke wi ni
Yeah.
enti se nyankopon boa na wo ba sa niama we se no mo ba so na ba so ama sa adwuma we dwumaje nyina ba asem tie na pese mbusa wo minim se wadwene mo bie ana waka no kren so masam de to ani mo no
Mira say
da se bebre me tie fo nyina
atiefo nyina je so. Okay. Yewia Osei Anthony and the questioner ode ma yebra panyini and say prebia no or example say siniam sauti the oka ye nyina.
Papa.
Yeah, okay. And then my main 5 questions me no bi so nka ho na say wo sha say ufura watumi afuro ameki all together. Me ba ko so say mi say also we say we hear a lot of media engagement, which is very, very, very perfect. But how much work are you putting on the ground so far? Are you going to tour the whole Ghana? Every day one fancy and or somebody different question. I see a lot of people think that the challenge we have in 2028 is to get Bawumia to win. But I think that it is easy. The rate or say easy. Or see nipa be the say yeah how they are nim near any say Dr. Bawumia win election 2028. But on another dream no very easy for Dr. Bawumia to win the election 2028. But the only say the majority in parliament and a year very critical. Inshallah, God being so good and wonderful to you and to the MPP, becoming the general secretary of the party. Kwan Benson of Befaso Timiabua, Amaye achieve the majority seat in parliament. In the question, me answer, and Madame Honorable.
Okay, good one. Madam beside, Anthony, the Okania no crap papa. Maka baby, the dear Mantinian Chim, and I, Brahma, and say, the general secretary, I will be fair, but fair. Fair, but fair. You see, the deal about any penny, a friend, a master strategist. Master strategist. About say elections near Maniama Yankoyama, in Nimia of a Uko restaurant. Yes, where the anonymous be swimming na air day. Now we now crabbles where you tip a mother of vessel. Yes,
Yeah, of course, yeah, there.
So no, the anonymous secretary, who wouldn't that?
Who na nimuta?
On who now other as now what's so those were the days.
I see.
Bank command chairman. Behind the scenes, we are doing what we say yaba in the limelight.
Okay.
I hope you know a dove, and we are seeing a dove. In Kunyabi or honest, this is the time. And you're proper, and yet we are not being strategic. You know who maybe you are. Yes, the prince. No answer in Machiavelli network.
Well,
I found the Manfred.
Okay.
In Anthony, it will never happen under my watch. It will be more strategic and principled. Kind, yes, and Papa Seneca. They can say there was a deficit of 82 seats.
Yeah.
2 elections, they lose 82 seats. It is a year no one to and then beyond. Here the trick in say win more parliamentary seats and the presidential shall be added on to you.
Of course, yeah. Oh.
But however, you need a flamboyant flag bearer.
Yeah.
Well packaged, well protected, for him to be the arrow. If he said, or no, no, Oko Jinaho, now I'll call parliamentary candidate in Sa.
Yeah.
Now I can't man for say, we now old Jinem Mama, me, Mama, it is Remo, even though the target is to get the parliamentary candidates to win, you still need the flag bearer, the 4 bearers, and I said the and then the hoto to be attached. Meeting a painting, I win president. But the word is just win majority in parliament, and presidential will be added on to you. And when they defeat here of 2008. Okay. The time I hear for time. Now NDC for a little bit majority. Into the year and you say, oh, over the parliament in 34,000 votes on a daily presidential. So any fast thinking leader be out being can forward India and for parliamentary elections in Niagara.
Absolutely no.
And nothing that 1 minute one year because this time general secretary you could be all parliamentary experience. What's not parliament? That's what so about it. What's not parliament? Every opposition I mean about power. And to me, a general secretary, the first priority, the roadmap will determine how we're going to get the flag bearer being strong and vibrant, dynamic, leading into the parliamentary elections so we can win more seats. We have 82 to recover.
Yeah.
It is a 169 plus 4 or 5. And some I come failure to do that. I hope you answer.
I think Sir Fisherman is listening and I'm listening to you. I'm enriching myself. Yeah. Yeah. And there was another question. The another question was this one here. I see well who say we hear Juma then pie with media space. They're very perfect. But opposition who hear Juma grounds. Will you talk Ghana?
Obviously. But the entire nation, but you see, strategically, the process has just begun. May never started polling station elections. Until say, Martinari no, we will be touching the nerves.
Okay.
See, and good boys, you know, with me every time. In fact, be a better, but the best man will go around. To be a bit because good men number. Oh, better men be by, but this is the best man. This is the people's choice.
Finally, he's here.
It's maybe any. It's maybe any. And to me, I come to. Now, me ba be. Na mamu ehyia me Now the machine constituency in region. Senior Christ or Bushia, Ura, Jerusalem. The triumphant Jerusalem.
Yeah, fisherman. I think say honorable you are no ye. Miriam or say Anthony say honorable you are no ye. Honorable. Say there are no calls and no more questions. Your last words to my there are no more questions. People are not asking any more questions because and then day be a particular day. Later I will tell you what is happening on the media this time. And copying best at 10 o'clock and copying best at 10 o'clock Kubiano. The media space is completely locked up. Aye. Because the chama put your life until nipa ni nyina ehɔ na ɔmo nyina egu sesia. But enim deɛ yɛ no wɔ ha. I will send you the link after 2 days. Now I hear what is happening. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. The chama me pese wonka o last word in fanchire atiefo on what they should look after, what they should look up from you after you becoming a general secretary, and yeah, now I'm finding closing remarks.
And yet, you should be expecting a workable, all-embracing general secretary. Everybody is welcome, all inclusive. In your academic, in your penalty, in your bed, in your benefit, in your other man. If you say about for sa, you see a many kata. Until together we will work very hard. You have to say a presidential candidate. The and then the new dear and then you beat me and boy and my parliamentary candidates. In now we need seats. Now seat here free and some and saka in the Biaka. We are gonna for the presidency. So we are now we are and I never did. The queer put together in your empire, you will be more. You will be my papa dear before success. You will be my papa before success. Copin said, we are made the one that do now new patriotic parties. Numa, and no one should say what I see and the bigger creating. The legacies of these two great presidents of our country and of our tradition. And no, and you are Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, and you are so. And then also not getting for any immediate and the power cotton. Mama in two say as you did dice. Send a yema dear before Manina presidency. Send a yema and I would not put for the man winning presidency. Sa necessary a crowd of me prepare. Ye determined to do so for the Mahmoud Bawumia. Not all the presidency. And I make hope be ever say she did.
Edasi bebre honorable. Edasi bebre ene hopeless say in the course of getting closer to the election no yebe sign enya ohabiem na ye no wasending kobo. Me da wase yepa it has been I'm very glad to listen to you very well. Thank you very much. Yankopon onka ho.
Amen.
Bye bye. Abusian for a chairman na yene no edi nkomo say the medical kan kire mo no. I feel where they are about to general secretary position and there is nobody else than Chairman Henry Kwabena Kokofu. He is the only man and then the party called MPP need to come back in power 2028 because so they all cannot say if God willing he becomes the general secretary of the party, the agenda. His main focus is to let or make Dr. Bawumia next president of the Republic of Ghana. So, you know, it is just like what we call a chain. We want Dr. Bawumia to win. This man's agenda is to make Dr. Bawumia president or experience or win him there. Or an astute politician or a lawyer. He has all what it takes. Environmental work, batch environmental science and environmental environment, and also natural resources batch degree holder or any packetwa. he knows what it takes through all this experience that he has gone through in his life. He can obviously help MPP to win the election 2028, bring discipline into the MPP, unity in the MPP, financial sustainability, financially independent of a political party, the agenda, and mobilization of men and women to support the party called MPP. Sanipa way, any chairman, Kokofu, ono, and a metono, at the amount, and then you bring. Or homo na what the wood a chile, which I am for on Betua Bani being in our say. Maybe a yet do it here. We need someone who can actually make our party great again. Bidding any Mr. Mafwe High Ras Media GH. Medubesia na Yanko Pompa Ochra, Yasan Ababishia, Airtwaso. Mesro say won't subscribe to this channel or subscribe. Nabusiam 4. Make us say won't subscribe or ya subscribe no. So what you can subscribe before, don't subscribe or don't, and as I'm found sense subscription button this will be. Yes sir, now you are unsubscribing because you say subscription no kwana anima na assign tiaba form because anytime that I say won't subscribe or ya subscribe no a donor amount for the dominant no more press subscribe so she be an subscriber a basa as a what you want for in the answer of those subscription button no so no where na huni ye say and try unsubscribe na mumia try subscribe and now don't say so and yes sir you are just falling away and we need men and women, we need people in this house. The community must be strong. So please remember sans no bedo nsabesi so no na wa hwe ni ye hu say oye subscribed and as oye subscriber we da mu nyina say fisherman say odamase thank you for being here we chat adofo nyina da adofo nyina say ne mo bre every pam no ye be sign ahia I think say ochina ye be sign ahia mo hwe manim na honorable the interview way we are going to work on it and bring it to you in a better manner. Thank you all for being here with me. And as I always say, until we meet again, adios.